Hey, welcome back, guys. I think in our previous video we looked at how we can create the menu buttons at the top there. Then in this video we let's say look at how we can create the splitter there. So this splitter and add the hyperlinks and also another splitter there. Okay, so we just go back to our code. So that's where we left off. Okay, so I can start. So how can we create that splitter there? So it's just a line there. So a line could be created using the canvas widget. So you can go to maybe canvas line. So being equal to canvas, or just do canvas. Sorry, so canvas then canvas. Then we need a top. We need a let's say a parent. So we need a parent to actually pass it there. So I think we will need the app, sorry, base, sorry, so base. Then we will need, I think, let's see, I think base is okay. Maybe a width also wouldn't be bad. So a width should be the same as, let's say, that of, let's say, the base. So 1920. Then let's say a height of maybe a 0.5, so height of 0.5, so 0.5. Then I think, let's see, I think let me see, a color, yeah, so a color. Okay, this should be BG, yeah, so BG. Now I have a color in mind, so we are using the same color as that of the app, so this color, so hash D0 something something. Okay, so now we create our line. So canvas create line. Okay, there's it. Then I'll set it to a coordinate of 50, 50, then 100. Okay, then I think I need to place it. So canvas place. Then I'll anchor it to the west. So west. Then rel x should be I think 0. Then real y should be 0.035. Okay, that's good. Now we need to hit it again and see. Okay, so it's already running. So close, open. Okay, so it's looking nice. So we have our splitter here. So it's really simple. Now what we did was using the canvas widget, passing the parent pace. Then we also had the width, then the height with our background color set. Then we created a line here with the coordinate 50, 50, 100, 100. Then we used a place to actually place it on the base. Then we have west being anchor being at the west, then real x 0, real y being 0.035. Okay, so we can just add a comment here, create a line, splitter or separator, sorry. So separator, yeah, I think it's looking good. Then what we can do again will be the next ones being the hyperlinks. So in this video we created a line separator, which is very simple to do. So you can see the line separator. Okay, so in the next one we actually create the hyperlink there.